I'm behind this green screen to say like and subscribe or else I will get your manager.
Hi.
What?
Think I know this game. Car wash game, because I wash cars.
Yes, sir.
Buy car very big. I got a joke. Job. Car so big. I think I'm stuck. I must get out. What? Where's my car? I spawn another later. Let me show you my office. Card doesn't work. Buy office. Office very nice. I'm the owner. Hello. Stop vehicle.
Stop. Wait your turn.
Stop coming.
Slow. Remember, drive slow. Sir.
Huh?
There's a traffic jam.
Yes, Bacon. K. Ticket.
Yes, deluxe. I'm the owner again, sir.
What?
I will be your driving instructor today.
Huh?
Let me in car, please.
No.
Please.
No.
Can I sit in vehicle, please? Please unlock. Game is loud. Big car. Help. Help. Car sink. Help please. I survive. Car not that big, but it's fast.